You searched how to buy shares of Shanghai Electric Group Company Limited. It is a major industrial and power equipment manufacturer listed on the HKEX as 2727, HK. This overview is educational only and is not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker 2727 HK to locate the listing. Make sure you select the HKEX result that matches Shanghai Electric Group Company Limited. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct Shanghai Electric HKEX listing. Check that the displayed ticker reads 2727 HK. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the trade details carefully before confirming the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a pending order. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.